So how is Uber responding? The company has publicly denied these systemic allegations. Their defense rests on a few key points. They have a zero-tolerance discrimination policy that all drivers must agree to. They state that any verified report of discrimination leads to the driver's immediate deactivation from the platform. They've invested in features like an accessible product suite, Uber, WAV, and a dedicated 24/7 support line for accessibility issues. Uber's argument is essentially, we have the right policies in place. These are isolated incidents caused by bad actor drivers, not a failure of the company itself. The DOJ, however, argues that having a policy is not enough. Uber is responsible for enforcing it and has failed to do so effectively. The DOJ isn't messing around. They're demanding a complete overhaul of Uber's system and a massive financial penalty. Here's what they want: policy change. Force Uber to change its wait time fee policy to accommodate people with disabilities. Massive payout, $125 million to be used for compensating victims and paying federal fines. Court order. A court-enforced injunction to prevent future violations, meaning a judge would oversee Uber's compliance. This case could set a huge precedent for the entire gig economy. It asks the fundamental question: how responsible are tech platforms for the actions of their independent contractors? A loss for Uber wouldn't just hit their wallet. It would force them, and companies like Lyft and DoorDash, to fundamentally rethink how they train, monitor, and police their drivers. This is a classic case of technology moving faster than regulation. Uber revolutionized transportation, but did it leave behind some of the most vulnerable users?